everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you have blue hair or green hair and you're trying to get the color out of it, you're in this journey with me. Yeah, as you can see, my hair is bright. It's like so bright. I'm the type of person that wants to change their hair color all the time. So stay tuned to the end to see what color I end up doing. I'm gonna be using the one and only Color Fix to do this. I've used this hair color remover before when I had longer hair, but I've never tried it on blue hair. Yeah, I'm just ready for a change, so let's see. Keep watching to see how it turns out. So I have the gloves, a bowl. This comes with 3 steps, but I'm just using 1 and 2 because, like I said, I've used this before in the past, and I feel like the 3rd step didn't really do anything. And then I have a brush. And then I have a conditioner to use afterwards. It's because it leaves your hair kind of dry afterwards. I'm not gonna lie. But I think it's better than bleaching it. All right, so I'm putting equal parts of each thing, each step 1 and 2 into this bowl first. And just so you guys know, it stinks. It smells disgusting. And your hair is gonna smell disgusting after you use it. I'm so sorry. It smells like eggs, it smells like farts. It's gross. So that's the step 1 in there, and I'm gonna put this. All right, now I'm gonna mix it up. It's gonna look like this. So once it looks like this, it's ready to slap on. I've had to use this several times because I've dyed my hair every color in the book. I'm gonna put these gloves on. This is supposed to make your hair open up a little bit. Chemicals in this attach to the color molecules and make them shrink so that your hair, while it's open, the hair color will just like slip out. So I hope it works because I'm so ready for a change. Gonna apply it all over. It really stinks. I'm gonna put this plastic back and then I'm gonna see how it looks after. I'm back again to try and remove this hair color again. I used the one and only Argan Oil hair color remover, and it took a little bit of the color out. If you're watching this because you have blue hair or green hair and you're trying to remove the hair color, just be patient. And yeah. Using bleach is easier, it's like quicker to do it, but sometimes with bleach, things can go bad too, so. All right, so I'm gonna use the Beyond the Zone hair color remover. I have used this line before of their hair colors, and I really like the vibrant hair colors. And this says that this removes bold colors, so let's see if it works. If you have permanent hair color, you're gonna have to use a different hair color remover than if you had a semi-permanent color. So different colors, different hair color remover. I'm trying to transform my hair color, so all of it doesn't need to come out, but just keep watching if you want to see what happens when I use this on my blue hair. So what you'll need is a bowl to mix it, a packet of the hair color remover, and then you can either use this with water if you want it to be a little bit more gentle, or you can use 2 ounces of developer to mix it with it. I only have volume 10, so that's what I'm gonna use. All right, so I have the developer, the hair color remover, I have my gloves, and I have this mixing brush. Kind of smells like bleach a little bit. The other hair color removers that I've used have been really super stinky. So I prefer this one because it doesn't stink. Alright, so now that it's all mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my hair. I've tried the vitamin C method, I've used bleach before, I've used shampoo, I've used dish soap. I tried using Tide laundry detergent with shampoo, and that has worked before too. But I'm just gonna try and use the product that's actually made to do. It says that the maximum amount of time that you can leave this on for is 45 minutes. So I'm gonna probably just leave it in for like 30, just to see what happens. It does smell really good actually so far. It doesn't smell. And I did read that this will lift your hair just a little bit, so I'm gonna try and keep it away from the black parts of my hair, even though I'm gonna get a haircut anyway. Now I'm gonna rub it in. Alright, so now it's all pretty much rubbed in. I'm actually gonna go to Chipotle really quick and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see if any of it lifts. I just need it to lift enough to where I can put the other dye on top of it because I want to do a different color. I'm gonna go get my Chipotle and then I'll be back and show you what it looks like under there. It's been 45 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out now. We'll see what color is left after. It might be washed out enough to where I can just put the new color on top, or maybe I'll just keep shampooing it for a few days and then see what happens. So just keep watching. But there's still a lot of color in there and it did lift my roots, as you can see. My roots are lifted a little bit. Yeah, that was only with volume 10 developer, so if it was with 20, it would have probably got a lot lighter. This is the final result. Looks more green now. It's still actually a really cute color though. I think that I've lifted enough of the color out of here for me to do this color that I want to do on top. Referring to the color wheel, I'm gonna do basically my best attempt at doing the opposite of this color on top and see if that cancels the green blue out. All right, so I'm putting that much conditioner in it. So here's the color. Go to a professional if you can afford it, because they can use quality products that's gonna do something, like actually work, that does its intended purpose. Alright, I'll be right back. I feel like not even doing the rest, it may look stupid. I'm just gonna see. And then we'll see if I want to do the rest or just leave it like this. Allie is not going to be shocked that I wanted to only do half. She's going to be like, yeah. Alright, it's been like 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it out so I can go get a smoothie. This is like day 4 of me trying to do something with this blue-green hair that I have in my hair still. Just decided, like, why not cover it up with this color? But halfway through, I was like, hold on. I really like the way it looks with the half and half. Like, I always wanted this half and half color, like. So now I came to my sister's house so that she can help me do this half and half look.
We're gonna put blue back on it because
it's cute half and half. So she put the conditioner in there. It's like 1 squirt of conditioner. And this Good Dye Young is extremely pigmented color.
Super dark. got our color mixture, and yeah, I'm gonna just slap it on. That half and half, that Harleen Quinzel. He's giving.
I'm happy.
Yeah, you like it?
I wanted to change the color. It was like a faded teal green color before, and now it's giving me color fantasy. I just am the type of person that likes crazy colors in my hair. I just don't feel happy with just plain black hair. Where's my hair color girls at? Do y'all feel me?
Yes.
So stay tuned for the next video when we use the Joico Color Eraser to try and get rid of this before we go home to California.
Stay tuned.
That was Sweetie, if you can hear that.